Welcome back. We are still on our tutorial on how to make money through blogging. So in today's tutorial, we want to continue from where we stopped, and our topic today, I want to review to you some blogging tools that you need. These are the things you need as you want to start blogging. So just have it in mind that you have these things uh, intact. You have these things with you. These are the things that will help your blogging journey to be smooth. Now, these are the few ones I listed here. I will explain them to you. No, there are many, but we can't treat all today. So as we proceed, I will be revealing the remaining ones to you. But these are the basic ones you need. The one you need, the first one, the first blogging tools you need is keyword research tools. Keyword research tools. This this tool helps you to bring out keywords online that are low in competition but high in volume. So this tool, this is a website that will bring out crawl the website online and know the keywords that what people are searching on Google, and the amount of visitors that keyword have, and how many people have written about them. So I will review them to you in this tutorial, and this will help you to know the keyword that you are to target as a beginner. You won't go for something that many people have written about. We will not rank on those keywords. So this is why you need this tool. This tool will help you a lot on your blogging journey. So any article you want to post online, you need to check how many people, how the competition on that keyword. You need to check them before you write about them. So these keyword research tools, there are many. We have SEMrush, we have Ubersuggest, we have Word Tracker, we have many of them. And another one is Google Docs. This is where you write this. It's like Microsoft. What do they call it? Software. But this one, this one is from Google. This particular one, Google Docs, is from Google. Have more features. So this is where this helps you to type, write articles. You need this. You also need a keyword idea generator. You know, as you are writing articles, there it's not everything. You can't remember keywords. You will not be able to know what to write about. So this one helps you to give you ideas on what to write about, topics, your blog post, the topic that you need to write about. So you have many. So I have already treated this on this channel on how you can generate multiple topics that you are to write about. So I will leave the link of this video in the description below. You can click on this video showing up here. This is the video here. So that we'll be able to get them. The next tool that I want to mention is plagiarism checker. After writing articles, you need to check your article. Plagiarism means copyright content. So you have to check the article that you're about to post online if it has existed already online. Some words, some sentences, things here and there, you have to check them on plagiarism checker to be able to know if that article or a particular sentence or a particular headline have already existed. Because if you publish any plagiarized content, Google will not crawl that post. Mark that. So you need this tool to be able to check for plagiarism. There are many. I will review them later as we move on. So the next one, I just want to run through all of them. The next one you need is AI detector. So in case you use AI to generate content, you need an AI detector to be able to detect if that content is written by AI. And from there you'll be able to rewrite that content and make it human. Because if you write content and post, if you use AI to write content and post it online, Google will not index that site. So at times, if it's indexed, the website will take time. That post will take time to appear on Google search results. So Google needs content that is written by human. The next tool that we need is Notepad. I will explain to you later why we need it. When we'll get to where we'll use it, I will explain. You see why we need it. And the last one on my list here is Canva. Canva is a free tool that you can use to create thumbnails and banners, things like that. So you need this particular tool for your website. So that's all for today. If this video helps you, just please subscribe and like and share this video.